Dear students, today I will explain you chapter number 6, birds and their bodies. See, the main parts of bird are eyes, beak, feet, tail and wings. Wings act as a shoulder to the bird's body. They use their wings to fly. They have strong muscles attached to the wings. Birds are light because their bones are thin and hollow. This helps them to fly easily. Now we will talk about the feathers. There are three types of the feather. First feather is the flight feather. Flight feathers are long feathers found in the wings and the tails of birds. They are used for flying. Down feathers are soft and fluffy, and they are found next to the skin. They keep the birds warm. Third is body feather. Body feather cover the body and gives birds their shape. Feathers help a bird to fly. The surface of the feather is oily. Now we will talk about the bird's beak. Birds have no teeth. They cannot chew the food. The beak helps them to eat the food. A hummingbird drinks nectar with its long thin beak. Parrot easily cracks open nuts and seeds with its strong curved beak. See the beak of the parrot. Now sparrow have sharp, short, pointed beak. It picks up and crushes seeds. Pigeon and peacock also have short, pointed beak. A heron catches fish with its long, pointed beak and lifts it out of water. This is the beak of a heron. Now, a woodpecker taps the bark of a tree with its sharp pointed beak. It makes a hole in the bark and pulls out insects to eat. A duck has a broad flat beak. It scoops up muddy water with it, and the water flows out through the holes on the side. Eagles, vultures and owls eat the flesh of animals. They have a strong, sharp, hooked beaks for tearing flesh. Now we will talk about the feet and the claws of the birds. Crows, sparrow and blue jays perch on the tree, means they sit on the tree. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Now, roosters and hens scratch the ground to find insects and seeds to eat. Their sharp, hard claws help them scratch the ground. Woodpecker and parrots have 2 toes pointed towards the front and 2 pointed towards the back. This helps them to climb trees and hold fruits. Duck and geese have webbed feet. The toes are joined together by skin. This helps them to swim. Eagles and hawks have sharp curved claws called talons. They use their talons to grip and carry small animals.